I'm sorry, Babu. It's okay.
Talk to her now, Babu. Hanan.
How are you?
Yeah. What is she doing?
He's biting.
What is she biting? She's looking. See, how is she looking? She's taking rest now. She feels better out of cage. She's like now a free bird in tree, indoor tree.
What are you doing, bird?
Yes, Hanana, talk to her. She likes you. Don't go too near. Stay away a bit.
Hello, bird. What
Yes.
are you thinking?
From where did she come? Ask her.
She came from the Zanduna.
She came from window in our house, flying.
He came to catch everyone.
She came to catch everyone.
Yes.
Yes, talk to her.
Hello, bird.
And don't jump. Stay. Ask her.
I want my pants.
Yes. Tell her you own pant.
Where's my orange pants? Oh, is it Kipa?
No, body is not moving
English
now.
pa.
Body is not moving. Her mode is off. Okay. Babu, talk to her.
Hello, bird. What are you thinking?
Yes. Yes, ask her how is she.
How are you thinking? Another corbo.
Not now, later. She is free now, she feels good. See, what is she doing? Oh, don't move. Don't move me. Let me do the video. The video is not being good. See, it looks like a free bird in house tree. It is an indoor tree. Don't stop. It is not able. Hanan, would you come in frame? Hanan, why don't you talk to her?
Hello, bird. What are you thinking?
How is she? Ask her how she feels.
Hello, bird. Hello, bird. What
You
are
are
you
not
thinking?
Yes. She feels good, very good now. She is free. Don't go near. Don't go too near. Then it will fly out. She is just staying far. Talk to her, Babu. Hanan, talk to her. Ask her.
Bird. Hello, bird.
The bird feels very good now. Babu, you talk to her. You talk to bird.
Hello, bird.
It creates dark. Open the door. It creates dark. Come. Don't worry. I am here.